Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to study about community helpers. Community helpers are the people who helps our community. They work for our community. Last week we studied about different community helpers. Can you remember them? Okay, let us recall. We have the policeman. So this is policeman. Very good. And the next one we have doctor. Doctor. Very good. And the last one we have teacher. Teacher. Very good. Policeman. Policeman. Policeman keeps our community safe. Doctor. The doctor treats the sick people. And we have teacher. The teacher teaches students. Very good. Now, let us proceed to our new community helpers. For today, we have nurse. Everybody say nurse. So the nurse helps the doctor to treat sick people. And also, she works at the hospital. The nurse also works at the hospital, like the doctor. Everybody say nurse. Nurse. Very good. Nurse. Next we have dentist. Dentist. So the dentist helps us treat our teeth. He takes out cavities from our teeth. Are you afraid of the dentist? No, don't be afraid because the dentist helps us to fix our teeth. Great! The dentist works at the dental clinic. Dental clinic. So this is the dentist. Next we have farmer. Farmer. The farmer grows food and takes care of animals. The farmer also plants rice, vegetables, and fruits. The farmer works on the farm. The farmer works on the farm. Everybody say farmer. Farmer. Very good, farmer. Now, let us read. Let's read. Ready? Who is she? Who is she? She is a nurse. She is a nurse. Very good. Who is he? Who is he? He is a dentist. He is a dentist. Who is he? Who is he? He is a farmer. He is a farmer. Good job. Those are the community helpers for today. Now, For our exercises, you are going to guess who works on the place. Now, are you ready? Okay. So, as you can see, this one is a farm. Farm. Who works at the farm? Can you tell me? Who works at the farm? Can you tell me? Correct! Great job, kids! Farmer! Very good! The farmer works on the farm. Very good! The farmer grows our food. Plants, vegetables, and fruits. Also, rice. Good job! Next, who works at the dental clinic? Who works at the dental clinic? Who is he? Can you tell me? Again? Louder. Great. Dentist. Dentist works at the dental clinic. Very good, kids. Next. Who works at the hospital? Who works at the hospital? She also helps the doctor. Nurse, good job. She is a nurse. So the nurse works at the hospital. So these are our community helpers. For today, we have the nurse, the farmer, and the dentist. Can you say it one more time? Nurse, farmer, dentist. They are our community helpers. Great job, kids. See you again next time. Bye-bye.